Hello, welcome to World of Floorcraft. We are Karen and Nelson Rose, and this is a reminder of the intermediate class on the 8th of March at the Kenn Centre. We did a neck break, yo-yo inside turn, sway flip-flop, and a right-handed shoulder slide. Links in the description below to each of those moves separately if you need a more detailed teach. We're just going to show you a run through of the whole thing to show you how they join together. So we started off with a neck break, and it went like this. It goes 7 and 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We went round for the yo-yo inside turn. We came in, twist, return. Then it was a sway flip-flop. We went a wrap, back, forwards, flip, flop, back, forwards, flip, flop. We came back. We did a slow exit into the return, ready for the right-handed shoulder slide, where we went latch, down to the left, return, and because we ended in the left, you were ready to go back to the top with the neck break. Thank you very much for watching World of Floorcraft. We'll put a music recommendation on the end of something nice to practice to. Like, subscribe and hit the bell if you would, because it helps promote the channel and you'll know if your notifications are turned on every time a new video comes out. We'll catch you next time.
I hope you have enjoyed learning some modern jive. There is a link to some music that is good to dance modern jive to. Thank you to everyone who hit subscribe. You are helping us to make more clips. Thank you. Keep dancing.